Is this even? And oh, the smell. That doesn't seem right. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with, yes, the queen of the channel. This little station wagon is the most popular vehicle I've ever had. Absolutely, by far, bringing in the views, bringing in the subscribers, and bringing in the joy in my little fat heart. Today's video, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to see what you really get for $125. We're going to take a look at the seats, see what works, see what doesn't work, and most importantly, we're going to see what junk is in her trunk. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Oh, it looks like snow. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yes, I absolutely understand. This isn't a trunk. This is a wagon. I don't know what you call this part of it, but I have not looked inside to see what's down below. I've had so many people reach out to me and say, is that a 7-seater? Are there seats that go up and down in the trunk? We're going to find out. This has been sealed since I got the car. So let me get a razor blade. We're going to pop the seal and see what happens when I lift up. Oh, see? Yeah. When I lift the gate, the tailgate, we're going to find out what's underneath. We are prepared. We are prepared to do battle. No, we're not going to fight anything on this car. This is going to be nice and easy. I don't want that much sticking out. All I got to do is this right here. We'll do it on the other side, and then we'll see what we're working with. All right, what do you think? I think we got some seats back there. Time now for the big reveal. Oh, she's gonna open? Is this even? Oh, look at this. Look at this. We have a gate that lifts and it stays up there. And oh, the smell. Oh my. Yeah, I don't know what the kids were doing back here in the back, but there is a definite, oh my gosh, there is a definite smell. And I'm realizing I need a piece. See this piece right here? I don't have one over there. Look how that just sits there though. That's cool. What is this? Ooh, I got a little belt. Here we go. Yeah. Suck it in, Mike. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, what's here? What do you think is going to be here? I don't know. And the survey says, here we go. I'm kind of nervous about this. That smells. Oh, whoa, does that smell? What's in here? Nope. Oh, I do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a seat. This is a seat. How does it work? Oh. That's it? That doesn't seem right. I think we're missing some seats. I think they went in right here, but we're missing them. Well, shoot. So we kind of have some seats. We kind of have a large mess on our hands. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm a little disappointed. That's part of an antenna right there. So we don't have any seats. We got a lot of mold, but we got no seats. So let's let her air out because this is a, oh man, she smells. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay. We're gonna vacuum. right, so we're gonna have to dye the carpets because those, woo, those are a mess. But look what I discovered. This is the coolest thing ever. Okay, so you have a cover like this. Ooh, I should have done this before. Let go. There you go. Look at that. Looks brand new. To cover all your goodies, right? Then, if you decide you want to take the dog with you on a trip, look at this. This is amazing. This is really cool. You ready? Look at that. Come on. Come on. How do you do this? I guess it's got to go up there. Look at that. Coolest thing ever. Keep the kids in the back where they belong, or the dogs, or in my case, the ducks. The ducks could live back here, and then if I hit the brakes, they're fine. I love it. Woo! A lot of work. Let's keep going. I am very pleased with the progress. Oh yeah, we are making. Look how much better that looks. Yeah, this is a testament to the Mercedes leather of the 90s. Yeah, I do have paint. Somehow there's some white paint I've got to get off right there. It just kind of appears randomly in the car. But the leather itself in the back seat, that's nice and supple. Look at this. This is beautiful. If I can find some headrests, I would really be in business. Now, I don't know what happened here. An animal, or I don't know what I just don't know. So I'd like to find another seat belt because I don't think that's going to be too safe or pretty. And what was under there was like rabbit food. It was just weird smelling, all kinds of stuff. Rabbit food. Okay, that's just a shadow. That's not really a stain over there. I do have a couple of darker stains in here, but this I think is cleaning up so nice. This is going to need some attention. This just came off right here. This is just vinyl. On the other side, it's completely missing. So depending on the level of restoration, you can always get black vinyl at Joann Fabrics or something like that and re-glue those. That's not a big deal. Okay, the door cards are looking pretty good. I do want to get some speakers for that. The seats, the front seats came out really nice except for the bottoms. and I've got some cracking, see right here and right there. So what I've done, I kind of gave them a general cleaning with this good Meguiar's. Then I went with Leather Reek, which is the oil that you let it soak in, and that is the best stuff ever. So this is going to sit here and soak in the sun so the pores can absorb the oil. It was a little dry here too, so we've got oil all over here, and the same on the front seat. Let me show you what's going on over there. Yeah, we had some cracking right here on the inside, which is a weird place. Usually it's on the outside bolster. This was just a little dry, so we're just letting it soak right here. I'll put on a couple of coats and let it soak and then buff it out, and it'll be gorgeous. The dash, I think, looks amazing. The wheel is dry, and a lot of that has rubbed off, so we can get a new wheel or put a cover on it. But look at that. And then my new wood, I think, looks fantastic. All in all, she wants to come back to life. She really does. She really, really, really does. And look at the back. These are stains. I can't get this out. Love this attachment, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. I mean, and it doesn't smell anymore. I've even cleaned under there, and I've cleaned half of my leather seats. Ugh, right there. Okay, we'll clean them again, but that's a lot better than what it was. That is so much better than what it was. If anybody has a source for parts, I need the spare tire cover. Yeah, I wish I could find one in black. I cannot. I do have good news about the back glass. I had a subscriber, super nice guy, find one at a junkyard, and he pulled it for me, and he's going to ship it to me. So we'll give him a big shout out when that arrives. So I really, really, really appreciate that. Still on the hunt for one of these. The front one I'm not worried about. You can get those aftermarket, the front turn signal, but this piece right here and fixing this damage right there is going to be fun. All in all, she looks great. She's had a tough life, so she deserves some pampering. Next up, I'm going to see if we can get these off and see what lies beneath. It's going to require some drilling, but I'm not doing it because it is about 2 o'clock and it's going to be 100 and something degrees here in Tulsa. There's a heat wave, so we're going to take a break, go inside, do some video editing, and then come out this evening and finish. But look at her. Look at that. She looks so good. Here, let me get a possible thumbnail. Would that be good? Right there. Ka-ching. It's now about 7 o'clock and the seats are in. I haven't attached them yet, so they are pushed a little bit forward, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick view. Look how nicely she has cleaned up. That is incredible. Okay, we'll go back here. We'll show you this. I still have the wires to do, but look how much nicer. Look at this place. Is going to be a nice place to hang out once I fix everything else, including the light on this C-pillar. Anyway, I think it looks great. I really do. We'll go over here very quickly. Lola's excited to show you. We're going to be using this, but look, yeah, magnificent. Magnifique, or whatever they say. I am pleased that we are rejuvenating the leather. I got to work on the 2 cracks right there. Some issues kind of right here as well. But look at the mats. Look at how clean they came out. This is one beautiful car. And it's going to be even more beautifuler. Is that in the middle of the wheel arch? Why does that wheel look a little bit pushed forward? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to be removing the chrome accents. Okay, because in my opinion, the car is going to look so much better without them. In fact, you want to see? I've removed one. And look, that's what it looks like without. I haven't even cleaned it yet, but I see no rust or anything wrong with the paint there. Okay, so let's remove these over here and see what we're working with. Right? Right? Can I get it right? You don't know what to do you? Sit. Sit, little girl. Here you go. Give me 5. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Okay. Removing these is simply a little bit of that. I don't even think they go in through the, I got my new shoes on. I don't want to get them too dirty. They don't actually go through the body. They're just kind of, it's weird. you go. There it is. Ah! Okay. Where's my rag? Ugh. And let's see what she looks like. Yes. The way it was meant to be. I think it looks better, but you guys let me know in the comments. Should I keep the wheel arch jewelry or no? There, that's how you do it. Just break it. All right. Ah! Ooh, I need to power wash under here again. What do you think, Miss Lola? You think it's pretty? Yes, you do. Lip licking pretty. Here we go. And we're going around the car. No chrome wheel arch. And yes, 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 yes. I think it looks 100 times better. We're going to order one of those. One of those. And look over here. Yep, so much better. Look at that. It's more muscular. I mean, it's a wagon, but I want it to be manly, a manly wagon. Get a new one of those. And I think with the right wheels, okay, that wheel's a little forward too, so I'm not worried about that. Anyway, I think it looks 1,000 times better without the chrome wheel arches. You don't think so? Let me know in the comments. Who do you agree with, me or them? Them? You agree with them probably. Yeah, thank you. All right, that is gonna do it for this video right here. Yeah, Benzo says it's time to get fed. So I'm gonna spend some time with my ducks. Then I'm gonna go in and spend some time with my dog, and finally spend some time with myself before I come out tomorrow and spend some time with this car once again. Yeah, all right, folks. I wanna say thanks because this car has received, what is it, 106,000 views on the second video, which is amazing. Thank you so much. I am up almost 3,000 subscribers this month because of this car, and it means a lot. Okay, so stay tuned. Next time we're going to take a look at some of the mechanicals. We'll get underneath and see why that little bar is all bent up, if I can replace it or if I have to bend it, and we'll see what else we can fix as we continue to get this car, which has yet to be named. I think I have a name for it, but it's not official. But as we continue to get this car back on the road. All right, Benzo, you want to say goodbye? You want to say bye-bye? I could squeeze you and you'll say bye-bye. Nope, you're not going to do it? Okay, all right, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you again very, very soon. There she goes. Okay, Mama. That's it. Good girl.